Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the map style in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the preferences section, look for the map style button and click on that. And as you can see, there are 3 styles that are available and 6 if you are in the plus subscription. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.